This tutorial will walk you through the basics of navigating MyRoadmaps Catalog at catalog.sjsu.edu. You will automatically land on the Academic Catalog homepage. To switch to the MyRoadmaps Catalog, simply click on the drop-down menu on the top right corner and select MyRoadmaps Catalog. Before we get started, it is important to note that the roadmaps provided here are generalized samples of advising maps to complete the degree program in 4 years, or 2 years if you transfer from a community college with an associate's degree for transfer. Please consult your My Planner and major advisor to develop your individualized academic plan. You can find your major advisor depending on your degree through the Undergraduate Advisor Directory or the ADT Transfer Advisor Directory. You can also find various resources related to advising and transferring units on the MyRoadmaps homepage or on the sidebar. It includes information on the Advising Hub, the Articulation website, and MyGPS. Overall, the MyRoadmaps catalog is organized into different sections with links along the left side of the page. You can view all roadmaps including the current year and the previous years. You can also view information about the California Promise, which is a program to facilitate graduation in 4 years for freshmen and 2 years for transfer students. You can find more information on the requirements, eligibility, and how to join here on this page. Also, you can view detailed information on general education requirements and undergraduate graduation requirements by clicking on the links on the left sidebar. For 4-year roadmaps, click on the 4-year roadmaps archive to view the PDF versions of the previous year's roadmaps. Here, you will be able to download and print it as needed. Starting from the academic year of 2021-2022, all roadmaps will be converted to page content instead of PDFs. This will allow you to easily access the course descriptions and other external links right on the same page. Here is the list of all roadmaps available for the academic year by its degree name. You can also sort it by college or by department. For example, I will be showing you the Business Administration Accounting Concentration Roadmap. Here, you can access the list of your major advisors according to your concentrations. Quick links to your desired academic year are also provided at the top of the page. You can easily access the description of each course by simply clicking on the course. You can click it again to hide it. If you would like to print a copy of the roadmap, click on the Print Degree icon. It is located both at the bottom and the top of the page. On the pop-up page, you can hide a specific semester if it's no longer necessary for you to print it out. At the bottom of the page, there is a Students' Notes section provided for you to keep any necessary information. Once you have adjusted the page to your liking, you can simply print it out. Now for an example of an associate's degree for transfer roadmap. An ADT is an associate degree in arts or an associate of science for transfer students offered by California community colleges. It ensures a smoother transition from a community college to a California State University by aligning coursework at the community college with courses offered at the CSU. All ADT roadmaps prior to the academic year of 2020-2021 will be archived as PDFs. You can access it through the link here on its homepage or on the sidebar. Let's take a look at the current year, which is now in page content rather than PDFs. The roadmaps are sorted in alphabetical order by its degree names or area of emphasis. Its format is similar to the 4-year roadmaps. You can also print your adjusted roadmap by clicking on the Print Degree icon, located both at the bottom and at the top of the page. We hope this brief tutorial has been helpful.